Hello everyone, welcome to the meeting. T-shirts are in this box, so I don't know where Blythe is, but if you ordered a t-shirt, I have a list. I'll cross you off. If you paid, that's wonderful, but come see me after the meeting and we'll give you a t-shirt finally. They look pretty nice. Grab one like this. And then they have this on the back, so they turned out pretty nice. So, come see me after the meeting. This weekend, we participated in our last outreach event at Biosphere 2 for this semester, and thank you to everyone who participated in that. We raised $35 in donations, which is like really good because the club needs money, and thank you to everyone who made this thing possible. It is not quite complete, but it looks really cool, and everybody loves the Jupiter looking thing, so I think that's how we got lots of money, because it looks really cool.
Does it have a light?
Yeah, we have like little red lights. We're still refining on how we want to display it at night, but yeah, it looks really cool. Last night we also went to a star party at White Elementary, which is south of here off of the I-19, and it was really cool. It was for like 2 hours we were there, but we had a constant stream of a few hundred people that looked through telescopes. But the coolest part was one of my favorite objects of the night sky, NGC 457, which is nicknamed the Owl Cluster or the ET Cluster. Kids kept referring to it as the robot cluster, and I thought that was awesome, so I'm going to call it the robot cluster from now on. Because it kind of looks like a robot.
I think it looks more like a robot.
Yeah, I think so too.
Should point out the robot.
So, yeah, robot. The eyes, the body, the arms, and then feet or wheels or whatever foot.
Always one wheel.
But yeah. I don't know, he kind of looks like, what was that movie in the 80s, number 5? Short Circuit, yeah. Anyway, also, the great thing about going to elementary schools is that they give you, like, awards for being awesome. So everyone who participated got an award, and we feel special. I want to go back to elementary school.
It's Gold League too.
Yep, it's very cool. Speaking of events, very short notice, we were asked by the Honors College, who is running an event tomorrow at Flandre Science Center. I don't really know who all is participating, but they have some fancy DJ from a local radio station. There are going to be laser shows, games, prizes, music, dancing, food, interactive exhibits, and we will be running telescopes. So if you're available to help, we're probably meeting at about 5:30 in the parking lot behind Steward to bring out telescopes. There's also going to be some like chocolate fountain thingy out near us, and I don't know what that entails, but it'll attract people to us. So this could be potentially a very big event. So if you're available, please let me know. You don't have to be there the entire time, but I think we can participate in some of these activities too if we have an overabundance of people helping, but we'll have some telescopes out there for night sky viewing. Any questions about that? Yeah.
I just want to say that they're promoting this in the Honors Colloquium things.
Okay.
I got this in my last class.
Okay. Do you know like more about what the event is?
My understanding from what they said was that it's geared to get students to find out about things that are open to them. They're going to have the laser shows. They're just doing laser shows that's free to students. Apparently there's something, they mentioned Astronomy Club with telescopes. Something about a hot chocolate fondue fountain.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. Other than that, it's
I have an email, like the Honors Weekly Digest or something,
Yeah.
that talks about that, but I can forward to you.
Okay. Well, if people are available, please come. We'll have telescopes, and it'll be fun. And we get to meet DJ Dwayne, or Dwayne, whatever. I don't particularly listen to Hot 98.3, but for all those who do. Speaking of things and opportunities, Carmen brought opportunities for an educational outreach position at NOAO. What that entails is doing like activities, going to schools, going to organizations, just doing educational outreach in the field of astronomy. And if you're interested, there are a couple flyers I can pass around. And if you have any questions about the position, come ask Carmen after the meeting. And she can give you any more information, but it's really fun. Highly recommend it. And it's good if you like to do educational outreach. And it pays very competitively, so it's good. So fundraiser, I believe, is going to happen pending mall approval, but we're going to have a baked goods fundraiser on December 2nd on the mall, probably in front of the Student Union, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. And I will probably pass around a list after the meeting if you're able to bring something. Carmen, do you want to make a sign-up list to bring something?
I don't think I have any paper.
Here.
But I will start one.
Please sign up to bring something. Even if you can't physically be at the table, it'd be nice if you could come and bring something. We'll sign up for people working the table at our meeting in 2 weeks, the day before the event, and just bring something. We can't do a for-profit bake sale, so it's a fundraiser where we will accept donations for anything. So I mean, somebody could potentially take everything on the table and not give us any money, but usually people don't do that. And we'll have this thingy there, which will probably attract a lot of attention, so it'll be great. So let me know if you're available at all in 2 weeks to work at any time during this time slot, and hopefully we'll raise a lot of money. So any questions about that? Okay. So project meetings are going on. Binocular telescope project at 4 p.m. Extrasolar planet project. Let's say we're meeting tomorrow. We still don't have access to our hard drive with data, so I'm going to go bother people a lot today and figure it out. Also, tomorrow, or in 2 days, we're going to be coming up with kind of, we want to put together all sorts of educational outreach material that hopefully we can post online for not just us, but for other schools to use to do educational outreach for astronomy. So if you want to help figure out or plan what types of activities we want to compile, please meet in the Astronomy Club office at 12 p.m. on Friday. And Katie will be there and kind of getting ideas and maybe starting to write up some of this material for educational outreach purposes. So, also tomorrow we have the astronomy problem of the week with Don McCarthy. It's going to be at 3:30 in Steward 450. This is the problem for this week. It's about probability of random people having some random disease. It's really interesting. It's actually something Jake and I did on our homework at the beginning of the semester for our Physics 426 class, but it just gets you thinking about problems that you might encounter sometime in your life, and it's really fun, and we might talk about other astronomy topics at the meeting, so I highly encourage you to come if you're available. I'll also try to post this on the website if you can't absorb all this information right now, but that'll be posted on the website, and please come because it's really fun if you're available. So since next week is Thanksgiving, we won't have any meetings next week unless you want to come see us. We're probably going to be around. I also said in the email that I'm going to propose some constitution changes